In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Proton VPN. If you're using a Windows PC and you want to turn off your Proton VPN connection, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to your Windows desktop and click the Start menu. Once the Start menu is open, use the search bar to type in Proton VPN. As the app appears in the search results, click on it to open it. Give the application a moment to fully load, especially if your computer is taking a little longer than usual. You want to make sure the main Proton VPN window is visible before moving on. Once Proton VPN is open, look at the main screen of the app. This is where you can see your current connection status and basic controls. If your VPN is currently active, you should be able to tell from the status area in the window. The exact appearance may vary slightly depending on the version of the app, but the key thing you're looking for is the main control area where the connection options are shown. From there, click the Disconnect button. This tells Proton VPN to end the secure connection between your computer and the VPN server. After you click it, wait a few seconds while the app processes the change. In most cases, it happens quickly, but it's a good idea not to close the app immediately. Instead, stay on the screen and watch the status update. You'll know the process is complete when the app shows the status as not connected. That message confirms that your Windows PC is no longer connected through Proton VPN. At that point, your internet traffic will return to using your regular connection instead of the VPN. If you don't see the status change right away, just give it another moment and make sure the app is still open on the main screen. The important part is to wait for the confirmation that says not connected, because that lets you know the disconnect was successful. And that's it. That's how to disconnect Proton VPN on Windows. It's a quick process, but it's always worth checking the final status so you know the VPN has actually turned off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.